We're to contact just south of the Kokomo Airport, passing 1,500. Any deviation you need due to the weather is approved. Climb and maintain 6,000% on course when able.
Alrighty, so we just stopped in at Sporty's there, got a bunch of good gear, wires and that kind of thing, hat, t-shirt, and we're ready to go down the road. It is a poppin' place here. My gosh, there's airplanes everywhere. They're a full service, you know, anything a pilot would ever need is, oh, here you got all your flight gear, you got all the accessories, all the, any aviation related items are here. Alright, do a quick check here. A comm on here.
Sporty's Claremont County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1543. Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm.
Alright, wind's calm.
Got traffic, Skyhook 128, hold Charlie, number 2, runway 22.
Claremont traffic, Alaska 12 Kilo, department 22, heading northwest. Claremont.
Sky 9545 Foxtrot, left cross 122, Claremont traffic.
.2150, airspeed buzzing, and we're rolling.
Traffic, Sky 9545 Foxtrot, left down 122, Claremont traffic.
And we're airborne. Pitch to 70.
Claremont traffic, Sky 9545 Foxtrot, power off 180, runway 22, Claremont traffic.
Claremont traffic, Alaska 13 Kilo, right turn out to the northwest, last call. Alright, we're going to call up Cincinnati approach here so we can just kind of keep climbing. Cincinnati approach, 2313 Kilo.
Number 2313 Kilo, Cincinnati.
2313 Kilo had just departed Claremont. We were about 2 miles west of the field, 2,000 feet. We'd like to climb up to the airspace and head northwest to 4,500.
Number 2313 Kilo, squawk 0424, and ident.
0424, ident 13 Kilo.
Number 2313 Kilo, your radar contact 2 miles northwest Claremont County Airport. Say your request again, you got stepped on.
Yeah, we'd like to climb up to 6,500, head northwest to Valparaiso, Indiana.
Number 2313 Kilo, roger, maintain VFR at 6,500, clear to the Class Bravo airspace.
13 Kilo, clear to the Bravo, 6,500, thanks.
Potential aircraft send effective segment 84 Eastern, available on the flight service frequency. Number 5319, descend maintain 7,000.
Descend maintain 7,000 and 5319.
Fast track 3, Cincinnati approach, roger, radar contact to west of the airport, maintain VFR on your climb.
Approach 2313 Kilo.
2313 Kilo, Cincinnati, go ahead.
2313 Kilo, we're at 6,500, we're going to continue to climb 7,500, get away from these clouds.
2313 Kilo, roger, maintain VFR, and you climb to 10,500.
Roger, 13 Kilo.
Number 2313 Kilo, reset to transponder, squawk 6616.
One 3 Kilo, 6616.
Three Kilo, you can maintain VFR at or below 10,000.
13 Kilo, at or below 10,000, thanks.
Number 2313 Kilo, contact Columbus approach 118.42.
11842, I was just there. They told me to come over you.
Affirmative, they thought you were going to climb up into my altitude, but you're not, so you can just go back to them on 1842.
1842, okay, thanks. Columbus, 2313 Kilo is back with you.
2313 Kilo, welcome back, altimeter 3001.
Double lot 1, 13 Kilo, thanks. Them big mountains out there.
2313 Kilo, contact Indianapolis approach 120.65, good night.
12065, have a good day. Oh, what I'm looking at this moment in time, here I'll show you. I got some big boys up there. So, I'm looking on my onboard radar that I get through ADSB, and I'm trying to figure out what's the best course of action here. Looks like there's a path in between those little pockets. I can see the pocket on the right and a little storm on the left. No good going right on through. I can see through. So it doesn't look like it's going to be a factor. I'm talking to Indianapolis approach. They're going to keep me up to date on I generally don't have an issue with popcorn showers. Popcorn showers don't bother me. However, when they start turning into something larger is when I start to really pay attention. So it's important not to get yourself in a pigeonhole where you can't get out. So always have your options. So looking straight ahead here, they got a different series of layered clouds. They're all kind of over the place. We're at scattered, so I can see straight down. If I can't get through, I'll just circle down, get below them and go. So always give yourself an option. Looks like it opens up more so the way I'm going. We got this big pupper. I can see the rain. I'm just staying clear of him as best I can.
20 departure radar contact, turn right direct mirrors, climb and maintain 3000. November 2313 Kilo, contact Grissom approach 121.05.
12105, 1 Kilo. Approach 2313 Kilo.
Or 2313 Kilo, Grissom approach, altimeter 2998.
998, 1 Kilo. Alrighty, it looks like we've picked our way through the most of it. We got a little cell off to the right there, kind of cool looking. Then we got a cell off to our left, north of us. We're currently about 70 miles from Valparaiso, Indiana, getting close, just above Grissom Air Force Base.
Before 496 here, I see some weather off to your left, anywhere from about 9:30 to about 11:30. I've got about moderate intensity. It appears to be south. If you need any deviations, approved. For 4751 Golf, how was that weather you just came through?
We didn't fly through it. We just flew adjacent to it. It's rough, and you can't see through it.
Yeah, it's an obstacle course today. Forward to Richmond.
A lot of humidity and a lot of high temperatures clashing, so I get it. And they're talking about it all day long. We had this yesterday too.
Summertime.
Got a lot of pop-ups south of Kokomo and east of Lafayette right now. The one east of Lafayette's pretty good size too, just the one you just passed off of. And it's moving south to southeast slowly, but it's a good 5 to 7 miles in diameter. It's got some pretty good stuff in the middle of it.
Oh, I love the banter between air power and pilots. It's good fun. It is a little bit of an obstacle course today. Gotta pick my way through it here. Start ground traffic, Alaska with the field, 3 miles east southeast of the field, 2,000 feet inbound to land, 27 start. Start 1 Kilo, turn your final 27 start. over the wire.